We have a laptop, Lenovo E15, Thinkpad E15 series, and the problem is it's not charging. So when I try to charge this up, I'm going to measure the voltage and amperage. And it reads 20 volt, correct? But it only reads 0.048 amp. So we're going to open this up. And I know what the problem is, because this is very common issue on this the E15 series. So I'm gonna remove the motherboard and take a look. Okay, the motherboard is out. And I'm gonna measure the amperage again. Same thing, it reads only 0.049, 0.05. So we need to replace the MOSFET, which is located on the bottom. And I think it was these two. I repaired this laptop 3 times already with the same issue. So I'm pretty sure that's the issue. So we're gonna replace or just jump these two, QB6 and QB5. I think it has a damage on it's burnt, I guess, on there. So I'm gonna remove this and the jump from the input from the output. So you can see better in this angle. This. So first of all, I'm gonna measure the voltage, input and output voltage. So the input voltage is, I reached 19.88, which is normal, and output only 3 volt, 3, and 20. So the gate is 20, but as it shoots only 1.4 volt, I'm pretty sure this is damaged. So I'm gonna remove this. And disconnect the power. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's definitely damaged and corroded. Huh. Okay. So I'm gonna clean the pad first. With some fresh solder. And I want to check the other MOSFETs as well. So let me just measure the voltage first. So input 20, output 20. So this one looks good. But I just wanna resolder this one as well, because it's better. They solder this MOSFET with some low melt solder, I guess, and it makes bad contact. So I'm gonna resolder that. Clean the pad. Okay. And clean this IC as well. Yeah. Add some fresh solder. And clean it. Okay, looks good. And clean the pads. on both sides. On the motherboard PCB with isopropyl alcohol and the IC as well. As I said, this is a very common issue on this IBM ThinkPad, Lenovo ThinkPad E15. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back here, and I will just jump this input from the output with some solder. It's okay. So I'm gonna prep the pad with fresh solder. Just a bit of flux will help. Just a bit. And put this back, which is a good one. Oh, damn it. Make sure it's correct orientation. Okay, so for individual legs, pins here. Go. I'm gonna add just a bit of flux. Just a bit. And put this back on and heat this up with hot air, about 380 degrees Celsius. And I'm going to just jump from this input from output with fresh water into this output. Come on. This one. Okay, give me a screen. Come on. So there we go. Looks ugly, but it'll work. So I just bypassed one of this from here to here. So I'm just gonna check the continuity. Good. So I'm gonna check the voltage and amperage now. I'll show you. Let me just connect this. Turn this off. .3, and I'm gonna connect the battery, and I want to check it's charging or not. So I'll connect the battery. Where's connector? Here. Just gonna connect the battery and the charger again. Hopefully it charges. Let's see if it works or not. There we go. Charging. I have charging light and proper amperage here, 2.1. So it's fixed. Low. So let's reassemble it and do the final check. Reconnect the charger. Make sure it reads proper amperage. Good. And press the power button. There we go. It turns on. Was kind of easy fix, isn't it? Thank you for watching. I hope you can repair same stuff with same solution. See you at the next video. Thank you.